What's up YouTube, and welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My name is Keandra, and in today's video I'm going to be doing another hair review, y'all, on this bomb 5x5 closure unit that was sent to me by Unice Hair. I just want to thank them and shout them out for sponsoring this video, y'all. This is a 24-inch HD unit, and it is 5x5 lace closure like I mentioned. Y'all, this was so easy to install, so easy to work with. I love closures. I started out with them when I was doing my hair, just because it's really easy to get into if you're just learning how to install a wig. So y'all just see me cutting these little thick pieces off of the closure, just so it can lay better. In my opinion, those little pieces, when they're off, the wig just lays better. And I'm just parting it. I did do a little bit of customizing off camera. I went ahead and bleached the knots and added the makeup off camera. So as y'all see, I'm just kind of perfecting the part and making sure the middle part is good. We love a straight bust down middle part, okay? And by the way, this freaking parting space was so bomb. I love a deep parting space, hence the 5x5. It just looks so natural, y'all. So I'm just cleaning off my hairline with some alcohol, and I'm going in with my glue, and I'm just going to be laying that down. I am using the Boho Active. This is my favorite glue for my oily skin. I'm going ahead and doing 2 layers of that. And y'all, since this is a closure, it's not ear to ear, this install is super easy. It was super quick. It didn't take long at all, and it came out really cute. Y'all gonna see, just stay tuned. So now I'm just laying that lace into the glue, and I'm gonna be using my edge brush just to brush that hair in to the glue, and I'm gonna allow that to dry and set. Just doing the back comb motions to make sure that that lace is really melted into that glue. And now I'm being super lazy. I believe I had somewhere to go and I was rushing in this video. Actually, I know for a fact that was what was happening, so I did not let that band sit on my hair. I just held it there. I'm going in with some of my, it's the spray that you use like if you mess up your part or whatever. I did kind of over bleach the knots on this wig a little bit. It kind of bleached the hair a little bit, so I'm just going in with this little spray just to perfect that part and also go over the any blonde areas. That's just like a little trick, and I'm using the end of an old edge brush to do that. You can also use like a rat tail comb or anything like that, just to perfect the part and fix it up there, make it straight. And I'm also using my hot comb just to like hot comb that product into the hair. I always do this. And now I'm gonna be cutting the lace off, y'all. I literally cut it down the middle and then did half and half, and the lace was off. And I'm just using a little eyebrow razor to do that, nothing crazy. Now that that lace is cut, I'm just going to be going in and parting out my baby hair. And I'm also going to be going in with my tweezers to pluck the hair. I don't want them too thin, but I also don't want them too thick. I did not do that much customizing on my mannequin hair, so I decided to just do most of it on my head for this install. But yeah, I'm basically just going to be doing one on each side. I'm going to try to make them pretty symmetrical. And yeah, I'm going to do the same on the other side, and then I'm going to get ready to cut them down, curl them, and do all of that good stuff. Y'all, I feel like these videos kind of getting a little repetitive. Like, I'm trying to think of different ways I could switch it up. Don't get me wrong, I love doing dedicated hair videos, but I don't know, I'm ready to switch it up. Like, let me know what y'all want to see on the channel. Drop down some comments down below on any video ideas that y'all want to see, and definitely make sure y'all go in the description box down below for all information on this unit. I will have everything down there, the density, the length, everything, all that, the links below. So as y'all see, I cut them a little long because you can always cut them shorter, but you cannot get the hair back once it's cut. So I did go ahead and make them kind of long on purpose. I curved them upward, and now I'm going in with my gorilla snot. And that's what I'm going to be doing to lay them down. You guys are just going to see me play with them, cut them shorter, and just style them to my liking. So yeah, this was really easy, y'all. This install was super duper easy. All there is to it after the install is just styling the hair. And y'all going to see how I styled it in just a little bit. But I'm just swooping as of now and making sure everything is looking decent, looking good. I'm going in with my lazy little method again with the band. And I'm gonna go in with some of what is this, BioSilk. I usually either use BioSilk, which is like a lighter lightweight product for styling, or I like to use my olive oil serum as well and put that all over the hair before styling. I'm gonna go through and hot comb it again because we want it flat, 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 flat at the top. And now I'm cutting some layers into the hair, nothing too crazy. I don't know, I just wanted to do kind of like a straight bust down middle part, but I wanted some layers in the hair. Y'all gonna kind of see me bump the ends just a little bit. But yeah, right now I'm just cutting layers in the hair. I'm just using some regular old hair shears for this, and I'm literally just going down the hair and cutting layers until I'm satisfied and trying to get both sides even. So now I'm just waiting for my flat irons to heat up. I think I had them on like 400 degrees or something like that because I wanted the hair to get really straight. And now I'm just running the flat iron through the hair with the comb. I didn't take my time to really section the hair out because your girl has nowhere to be. She was kind of in a rush. But I'm just running the flat iron through the hair and trying to get it as straight as possible. And y'all gonna see me, like I said, bump the ends just a little bit. But I don't know. I guess I didn't want just straight hair. I wanted some layers in the hair, and I believe I also cut the ends of the hair too, just to give it like a more even layer look. I don't know, I had a certain look in mind, but y'all see me just bumping the ends a little bit. I'm gonna keep playing with the hair until I kind of like it. So yeah, y'all, I'm just straightening the hair, nothing too crazy. Y'all, look at the hair. Can we talk about it? Like, can we talk about it? Look at how freaking sleek it's looking at the top. I love the sheen and the shine that the BioSilk gave this hair, and just running the flat irons through it, it was just gliding. Everything is looking so sleek. I love straight hair on myself. I don't know what it is, but nothing like a straight bust down middle part. Okay, it's so cute. So y'all just see me running the flat irons through the hair several times because, like I said, I was being lazy. I had somewhere to go. Not that I was being lazy, but I just did not have time to really part the hair and do it in sections. So yeah, I ran a flat iron through the hair quite a bit to get it straight, and this is what she was giving. And I'm just doing some last minute finishing touches on the hair. But y'all, overall, I really enjoyed this hair. I've had it in for a while, and I definitely do recommend this hair. I did get minimal shedding with the unit, but that's normal. Like, what hair don't shed? Come on now, be real. And it was nothing crazy at all. And I just think this is a really great beginner wig. Heck, even somebody who's experienced, this is a great wig for you as well. It's something easy that you can throw on, and you still get that frontal look if you install it, you know, correctly. But yeah, I just want to thank Unice Hair for sponsoring this video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Thank y'all so much. If y'all stayed to the end, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and check out all the links down below, and go cop you this wig. You won't regret it, and that's on period. And I will see y'all in my next video.